friend, Cherie here. Welcome back to the channel, Cherie's Alchemy Shop TV. Today I'm here to share with you a new collection that I have added to the Etsy shop, new for spring and summer 2026. I think it's a stunner. I think you'll like it too. I've already planned out several projects for me to share with you all, to sew up and share with you all using this collection. But first, we're going to have a look at all the prints. I do have one project completed. We'll share that at the end. The collection is called Vibrant Botanica, and it's a 100% cotton quilter's weight, 44 inches wide, great for quilts and accessories as well as for clothing. All right, friends, so before I talk about the projects, let's just have a quick peek at all the prints that I picked up from this collection. So again, the collection is called Vibrant Botanica, and the designer is Kitty McCall. This first print is called Island Blooms, and the colorway is Sunshine. So pretty. And remember, again, this entire collection will be 100% cotton fabric, no stretch, quilter's weight, which is a lightweight cotton fabric, and it's printed, so you have a very evident wrong side of the fabric, okay? The second print is called Abstract Prism, and the colorway is called Sherbet. The next print is called Jungle Leaves, and this colorway is called Earthy. Love this. This print here is called Overgrown, and the colorway is Pastel. This next print is called Summer Garden, and the colorway is Multi. This print here is called 1,000 Flowers, and the colorway is Citrus. This is the Plumeria print, and the colorway is called Night. And then the final print we have is Flower Garden. This is the Jungle colorway. Okay, so they are all beautiful, and I am going to start pulling them and deciding on some projects to sew up. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so as I said, I did already finish one project. I made some little cropped loungy pants. I'm going to turn the camera around so we can have a better look at this. Okay, in part 2 of this video, when I share you all the things that I ended up making using these fabrics, of course I will try these on, but I just wanted to quickly share this one project that I got finished up. It's just a pair of simple pull-on elastic waist pants. I am in the midst of redoing a lot of my PJs and my loungewear for 2026, out with the old, in with some new stuff. And so some of the things that I'm making is using these fabrics. I'm making other things with it as well. But I'm going to go ahead and wait and do the try on because I have some other things that coordinate with this that I'll be making. But yeah, it's sewed up really beautiful. These are some really fun. These are just some quick and easy pull-on pants. I will link in the description box. If you remember, I did share already some patterns for awesome PJs that I want to make. I'll be revisiting some of those patterns. I'll link to that in the iCards right now. If you have missed that, I'll put the link in the description box as well. Just a quick peek, I used New Look 6859 to make these pants. And I have a few more things that I'll be making from this pattern to show you. But again, this is a very easy pair of pants. Just pull on, comes with several variations. They consider it a unisex pattern, but it has the pockets on it. Super cute. I've already tried them on. Very comfortable, and I'll share more with you regarding these in the upcoming video, okay? So remember, check the description box for the links to some of the other pajama patterns and loungewear that I'll be sewing up. And in the next video, I'll share those. not the next video, but when we come back and talk about these fabrics again, I will share all the makes that I did using this collection. All right. And I will be linking in the description box to the Etsy shop. So if you want to pick up any of these prints for yourself to already get started sewing some things, you can do so. Take good care. Bye.